Tibial rotation at the knee is something that is very important for us to consider training, especially in the presence of knee pain. How we would go about isometrically working knee tibial rotation is setting up in the following position. If I'm going to be working my right knee, I'm going to take my right hand, put it on the inside of my foot. My left hand is going to come up underneath the knee and grab the opposite side. With this hand, I'm going to turn the knee out into an externally rotated position where I'm going to start my high-end isometrics. So I'm going to push my foot into my hand, trying to create an internal rotation moment. My hand will be blocking it, which should allow me to increase the amount of contraction or effort I'm putting into the motion. In this position, I feel lots of hamstring work on the inside of my leg. I feel a lot of other tension building up along the inside of my shin as my leg is fighting toward the inside. Once I get into a good setup and I'm at my peak hold, I'll hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then I will just switch my hands. So my right hand will now come underneath. Left hand goes onto the outside portion of the foot where I can begin to train internal rotation as well. I'm going to start by pushing into my hand, creating that external rotation moment. Once I get into a good position, that should allow me to increase to my safest, greatest effort, holding for about 10 seconds. And then I can work in the opposite direction as well. So in this case, I'm thinking of my hand Velcro to my foot. I'm trying to move the foot further away into internal rotation as much as possible. And I can create an isometric then on one side of the joint and on the other.